Hi, I'm Martin from The Water Gift, and today I just want to show you a demonstration about how much alum or flocculant that we put in different size containers so that we know exactly how much to put in to clear the water up when it is really dirty. So I want to show you today just a couple of the implements we're going to be using for doing the demonstration. The first one is a teaspoon, and the second one is a soup spoon. And we're going to use these two today as our size to demonstrate how much to put into different size containers. Okay, and when we talk about a spoon, we're actually talking about a level spoon. So we basically are talking about the value that, or the amount is there when it is level. The other measurement we use is a pinch. And a pinch is 2 fingers squashed through, and that's what a pinch is. We also just wanted to do a demonstration of different size buckets to get an idea of how much volume is in there. So this is a 15-litre bucket, and then you can see different other size buckets, 20 litres, our 30-litre bucket, 120-litre bucket, and then a 240-litre bucket. So how much alum do we put in? We need 0.05 grams per litre of water. But what does that mean for each bucket? We'll just show you that. If you have a 15-litre bucket, what we need to do is basically put a pinch and a half. So we need pretty much 1 and a little bit extra pinch. And that is more than enough to put in this bucket. So if we had a 30-litre bucket, that's 3 pinches. So you can see there isn't much needed. And those 3 pinches is really equivalent to just the tip, the end of a teaspoon. And so then for our largest container, the 240-litre container, we just need a flat soup spoon's worth of flocculant. So the important thing is after you've added the flocculant is to stir it around and make sure it all dissolves. So get a big stick if you've got a big container, stir it around. I'd suggest stirring a container this size for about 30 seconds to a minute. Then let it settle and everything will be good.
This is one of the bags of flocculant that we hand out to people. In this bag there's about 400 grams of flocculant, which will allow you to clarify 8,000 litres of water. And that's enough for 10 people drinking 2 litres per day for a whole year.